The last possible function you should give attention to at this level is exponential function. Y equal to exponential, that will be number 3. Y equal to exponential f of x. This is how that function is written. You must have seen this function in your calculator before. That e, it usually appears as e, then you have power x there also. The link key of calculator is used to invoke this function. It's called exponential. So exponential to the power of f of x. Okay, we just say exponential f of x. The dy dx of this function is, now let me ask, what made us to know that this function is exponential function? Good, the e. So that becomes the major or the minor. What do you say?
Major.
You're very correct. So automatically our f of x still remains the minor, which means if I give you an exponential function, what it is bearing on top is the minor. Without wasting time, it follows the same process. You see? You can just imagine how funny this thing is. You get the process, and just follow the process is guiding you. You're not going to the left, you're not going to the right. Just follow it. The only secret is just know the standard derivative of the major function, and that's it. The pattern of dealing with it is direct. So why would somebody tell me that calculus is difficult? The other functions I said we're not going to cover. Remember I told you there are 17 functions the students should get used to. Of course, not at this level fully anyway. All of them follow this pattern. It's just for you to know the standard derivative of the major function, which at least you just cram. Differentiate this, it changes to that. Differentiate that, it changes to this. That's it. Okay, we go. So we differentiate with respect to x, our f of x, then times what is the standard derivative of this major function exponential? That's e there. Do you want to know?
Yes.
Funny enough, it does not even change to anything. It is still that same thing. That is how funny and how simple this thing is. If you differentiate exponential, it is still exponential. It doesn't change. Now, it is not meant to stand alone. It is a mathematical function, so it will carry an argument. And the argument, like I explained on that tree, is still the same as what you do here. The argument is the original minor function. So we're going to write the minor function f of x. Is this difficult, Kamdele?
No, sir.
Good. So could you please attempt this? Let's see. Y is equal to exponential x. Now let me give you a negative number this time around. I will guide you, but I won't tell you the answer. But in guiding you, is there anything tough here? No. The only thing I just want you to be aware of, be conscious of it anytime you are dealing with your calculus, is your major minor function. Are you getting me right? What is the major function here? What is the major function?
Exponential.
Good, the exponential. What is the minor function?
X is for minus 3.
You are very correct. And you know that this x raised to power minus 3, the minor function, is of this form. It's of polynomial form. That's not also power rule, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that when you're differentiating it, you know how to handle that. Okay, now do your minor major differentiation. Tell me what the result would be. Remember, if you differentiate a minor function, it multiplies from behind. So tell me the result of that.
It will give you minus 3x raised to power minus 4 exponential x raised to power minus 10.
I will send you I will make it. Okay, let me just make it a bit big. 500 airtime. 500 unit airtime. I'll send you 500 unit airtime. So you use to call your friends and tell them the good news that, hey, do you really know that calculus is not as tough as I expect? It's just because perhaps I've really not gotten the foundation, the basis. So you send me the number that I would send it to, or if it is your line that you would want it, you can tell me. Should I send it to your line directly, or there is another line you would want me to send it to? All right, so you receive it once we are done with the class. Your answer is very correct. Without solving it, just looking at the function given to you, y is equal to exponential x to the power of minus 3. If you differentiate it by major minor, your result will be minus 3 x to the power of minus 4, then exponential x to the power of minus 3. Once again, that was wonderful from you. Now we are done with the basic. We are done with the basic function. Perhaps let me conclude with the. Should I introduce line now? Should I introduce line number 4? Let's look at that number 4, the last one. Let's look at number 4, the last one. Yeah.